Product name: Mini USB B type male connector. Type: Mini USB B type male. Total size: 1. 4 by 0. 7 by 0. 4 cm, 0. 6 by 0. 3 by 0. 2. LWH. Material: metal, plastic. Main color: silver tone, black. Net weight: 6 grams. Package content: 10x Mini USB B type male connector. Mini USB type B 5-pin, male connector, metal shield, solder type. This product is manufactured in China. This product is manufactured by Uxcell. Top reviews from the United States. Connectors that get the job done. These mini USB connectors get the job done and work well for most purposes.